How to add McDonald's gift card to app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add McDonald's gift card to app. For this, you want to open the McDonald's app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for McDonald's. Now tap on the install button. Once the downloading has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. So go ahead and launch it open. Now log into your account by entering your email address and password. You can also log in using your Facebook account or your X account. Now once you have been logged in, what you want to do is tap on the account icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now you want to get to the payment section over here. So for that, tap on the credit card details option. You will find all of your saved payment methods over here. You can also add new payment methods over here. You will find the option of gift card here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to enter your gift card number, then enter your PIN, then tap on the add option. If the details you've entered are correct, then the McDonald's gift card will be successfully added to your app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.